Researchers at the W.K. Kellogg Experimental Forest are using purple panel detection traps in order to test various lures and chemicals that mimic ash trees. The goal is to attract the emerald ash borer, and once an ideal lure is found, the lures can then be used in areas outside the core infestation areas in Michigan.
The lures that we're using, we have two. One on these traps is it mimics the ash leaf volatile, so it smells like an ash leaf. And then we also have a lure called Manuka oil, which is generated from the New Zealand tea tree, but it smells a lot like, well, according to an emerald ash borer, it would smell a lot like ash bark.
Michigan has lost more than 15 million ash trees out of 800 million. There are 8 billion ash trees in our forests nationwide. There are 16 ash species in North America alone, and the nation's urban street trees are valued at more than $60 billion. So it is critical that researchers work to contain this pest. The ultimate goal of this project?
To develop a lure and these panel traps so that we can spread them throughout the state and use them as a detection tool and a survey tool to find out where emerald ash borer is in our state, detect them at very low levels so we can get in right away and start managing the area. And then the hope is to use that throughout the other states in the region to detect ash borer infestations if they were to arrive.
Working at the Kellogg Forest is an added bonus.
A research station like this, like Kellogg Experimental Forest, is absolutely essential to a lot of the emerald ash borer work that we've done, specifically in our host range and our host preference projects. We've gotten over 500 logs from Kellogg Forest. Because it's uninfested, we can take ash resource from here and bring it into the core zone of infestation and use it in our experiments there. So it's been essential in supplying us with wood resources.